Everybody ready? Yes. Hello, everybody. It's the entire Cucumber Clan, and today for the final episode of the Oscars Marathon, we're going to be doing Lady Bird. So, anyways, let's just introduce ourselves before we get started, in case if anyone's confused. I'm Larry Boy, Elliot, Little Joe, Mo, Robin Good, Captain Cruey, Stuart Green, Mr. Poppy Seed, Duke, the Italian Scallion, Larry the Builder, Larry the Butler, Minnesota Kook, Earcorn, Huckleberry Larry, King George, Captain Kook, Larry Dale, Winter Larry, and Mary Larry. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this party started. And also, Lady Bird is an A24 film. Ooh, includes paid promotion. So he's monetized already. Lucky ass. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, I think this is familiar. This looks familiar. This is I think this is the disaster. If I remember correctly, I think this is the disaster artist. I think I don't know. I don't remember this movie, but I know it. I mean, I know the movie, but I forgot the title of it. It's really good. The Room. Oh yeah, the disaster artist. I knew what this was. Man, this film was so good. Ooh, it's co-produced by Warner Brothers. So Thingamabob and I will do this reaction. You said that right. A24. Uh oh. What the hell is like a pink hotel? Wait, they got little kids to work on this movie? What the heck? Orange World, gift shop, twisty tree. Ooh. The Florida Project, a film by Sean Baker. Ooh, William Dafoe was in this. That's why he looked familiar. Mm-hmm. All right, what's next? Santa Barbara, 1979. Annapurna. Oh, Anna Fanning, Ellie Fanning, Greta Gerwig, Lucas Belly Crudup. I didn't get the third one. 20th Century Women. That reaction's coming soon. Look for it on DVD and Blu-ray plus digital HD. I say digital. I meant digital. Sorry. really emotional. Ooh. Ooh. We did this reaction before. Huh. They showed a Blu-ray case. That's unlikely specific. Alright, I think this is the last one. I don't know. It may be the last one. I don't know. Sundance Film Festival. Really cool. This looks like it's from the 50s or 80s or whatever. 80s, 70s, whatever. Filmed in full screen. I haven't seen that in a while. Yep, A24. Cool. Oof. Wow. Impressive that they actually got that. A ghost story. Story about a ghost. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Hehe. Ghostbusters reference. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. That about does it for the Road to Oscars Marathon Aftermath and the features reaction to Lady Bird. And we had a lot of fun during this episode. And actually, for a fun fact, during the Road to Oscars Marathon Aftermath, the real-life cameraman actually picked up American Hustle on Blu-ray. He actually got it from a pawn shop, which is really impressive. $3 for a Blu-ray, you know what I mean. Until next time, it's the entire Cucumber Clan signing you off. Alright, boys, let's get back to the world of Stephen King so I can finish loading up those the cash into those trucks. Transportation Jutsu! Damn it. He's gone. Oh well. I should have seen this coming.